In the vast, uncharted expanse of the cosmos, a lone starship glimmers against the backdrop of infinity. Its captain, a man of unwavering resolve and cosmic purpose, listens intently as a voice calls to him from the celestial plane. This is the story of Abraham, the father of countless stars, the first cosmic wanderer of faith. It's a journey unlike anything you've ever heard before. Abraham was a man of Ur 7, a bustling colony orbiting the crimson star Nibiru. It was a place of immense wealth, but also bound by rigid traditions and rules that seemed to shackle its inhabitants. But one day, among the endless tasks of the daily grind, Abraham received a transmission, a call. It wasn't from any command center or authority he knew. It was from the star creator, the one who spoke universes into being and spread galaxies like grains of sand. Leave your home among the stars of Nibiru and journey to a land I will show you, the creator commanded. I will make your legacy as vast as this universe, your descendants as innumerable as the stars. This was a mission of pure faith, requiring him to abandon comfort and familiarity for an unknown destination. Empowered by the divine call, Abraham gathered his family and his fleet, including his wife Sarai, his loyal nephew Lot, and a crew of pioneers ready to brave the void. They charted warp jumps and hyperspace tunnels, traveling across light years to divine coordinates. Along the way, Abraham encountered trials that would test the light of his faith. One of the first came when he landed on Andara 6, a resource-deprived moon teetering on the brink of famine. Ration shipments arrived sporadically, and Abraham had to make difficult decisions to ensure the survival of his people. He relied not on his own strategies, but on the promises whispered by the star creator. And there were battles. On the outskirts of Galdria, an interstellar dispute arose when rival factions fought over an asteroid laden with rare minerals. Abraham refused to engage in petty rivalries. Instead, he forged a peace treaty, his vision always fixated on the stars that guided him. Lot, however, was drawn into the politics of these foreign lands, often making decisions that brought tension between them. But Abraham's unwavering faith kept their bond intact, even in the face of adversity. Then came the visitations, angels in radiant star armor who landed on Abraham's flagship, delivering messages of hope and sometimes warnings. One such visit came with the announcement that Sarai, despite her advanced years, would bear a son. It sounded absurd on the surface, even laughable. But it was the spark of a promise long in the making, a new lineage destined to spread hope and goodness across galaxies. No journey of such scale would be complete without ultimate tests. On the volcanic surface of Zareth 9, a barren planet where molten rivers cut jagged trails, Abraham faced the command that would challenge his soul. Offer your son, your heir of the stars, as proof of your loyalty. With a heart weighed down by an unimaginable burden, Abraham and his son ascended a jagged ridge under the dim light of twin suns. But as the moment of ultimate sacrifice arrived, the Creator intervened. A beam of celestial light illuminated the scene. A sacred ram from the jungles of Zareth 9 materialized as an offering instead. Your loyalty honors me, Abraham, the Creator spoke, solidifying the covenant once more. From that day forward, Abraham's name echoed through the galaxies as a pioneer of the Creator's promise, a man who walked not by stellar maps, but by spiritual guidance. His descendants carried his mission, spreading the seeds of faith, redemption, and love to every corner of the cosmic spectrum. This, my friends, is the Star Creator's path. It's not just an ancient story. It is the blueprint for transforming the seemingly impossible into a divine promise. Abraham, the cosmic wanderer, reminds us that with faith as vast as a nebula, no star is out of reach. What galaxy will your faith take you to?